Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the scene so the trigger can work immediately. First, make sure you have a camera node and an area node positioned where the zoom should start. This is essential. Next, attach a script to the area and declare export variables for target zoom, duration, and easing type so you can tweak values in the editor. Once that's set, connect the area's body-entered signal to the script. This is the first actionable step that fires the zoom logic. Now you build the core, the zoom transition itself. When body-entered fires, confirm the collider is the player by checking a group or a name. This avoids accidental triggers. Then, start an interpolation of the camera's zoom property, use tween or animation player for precise easing, or implement a lerp in process with delta. Also, make sure to stop any existing tweens or flags so two transitions don't compete. This ensures smooth motion, and finish by restoring and hardening the behavior so it's reliable. When body exited occurs, revert the camera to its default zoom using the same easing and duration, and guard against instant flips by checking a cooldown flag. Once done, add checks for camera limits, multiplayer collisions, and pause states so the zoom won't break gameplay. If things go wrong, enable debug prints and draw the trigger bounds in the editor. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals misaligned areas or incorrect node references fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.